Okay, I'm just going to make a quick giblet gravy to go on our dressing. And even though we do call it giblet gravy, it actually does not have the giblets in it. We put regular white chicken meat in ours. But I'm going to start off by putting in 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Okay. I'm standing right beside the refrigerator, and the camera is very close to the refrigerator, so you may hear the ice maker running a little bit. Okay, here's my 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, and I'm going to add to it 1 cup of water. Okay, let me get the heat turned on it. I'll bring it up to about a medium heat, and I'll stir it. Once it comes to a complete boil, I'll let it boil for 5 minutes for it to be done. Okay, now I'm going to add, this is 2 boiled eggs that I've chopped up. I'm going to add that to it. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt and about a teaspoonful of parsley flakes. You can add more or less pepper and salt depending on how you want it to taste. Okay, let me stir all this in real good. Okay, it's just now starting to come to a boil, and so I'm going to add just a little bit of chicken. This is white chicken breast, and let that cook in with it. This makes a really good gravy to put on top of your dressing. Thanks everyone for watching our channel. We certainly do appreciate it. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you will, please leave comments and hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks everyone, and have a blessed day.